Move right on and focus in on some more big updates coming from around the nation as states reel from supply shortage. Vegetables and milk prices are expected to spike in the coming days. Meanwhile, insensitive comments coming in from Haryana CM ML Khattar on the protesting farmers. He says that the demands without any substance and such protests will only result in losses. Let's listen in.
किसानों की हड़ताल का कोई विषय नहीं है और कोई उनका इस प्रकार का मुद्दा नहीं है। ये तो एक जिसको कहना चाहिए कि एक विशेष मतलब खामखा के बातों को लेकर के आगे चल रहे हैं। और वैसे भी ये जो हड़ताल है, दूध नहीं बेचेंगे, सब्जी नहीं बेचेंगे, इसमें किसानों का नुकसान करेंगे, तो इस प्रकार की हड़ताल को उनको वापस लेना चाहिए।
Apurva Sridhar from Mirror Now is joining us right now. Apurva, what is the situation on ground and what are these traders saying at mandis across Delhi?
Remember, yesterday we saw at the Pipli Mandi in Kurukshetra where the farmers had gathered and they stopped every entry of food supplies to the main Mandi. Now, we saw yesterday how there were trucks of onions and trucks of maize had also tried to enter, and they stopped it and the trucks were asked to go back. That is the kind of situation we are seeing across the country. More importantly, they're very clear on one stand. They're clear that none of the food supplies includes fruits, vegetables, grains, milk. None of these will be reaching the city in an attempt to tell the government of the kind of miseries that they're going through. At that time, we are expecting the prices to go up as well, while it is too premature to say to what extent is it going to impact, because there has been old stock which is also left, and that, according to the traders and according to the marketing committee as well, they feel that that should suffice for the next couple of days, but they're also unclear as to what extent of impact are they even looking at. At that same time, when we're hearing an insensitive comment also they're coming in from none other than Haryana Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar, this is the same thing that the farmers have been saying. The kind of attitude of the government speaks volumes of why this protest is really taking place. The three main demands that they've put forth, one being a minimum support price to be fixed at 50% plus the overall cost that is to be calculated on C2, which means that MSP should be fixed at 50% plus C2. The second demand being a complete one-time full loan waiver. Remember, loads of farmers are going through severe crisis of loans, and that is prompting a lot of them towards suicide. And the third being to fix the MSP on vegetables and milk as well.
Okay.
So right now, we have to see for the next couple of days what is the kind of impact, especially for the consumers in the urban cities.
Okay. All right, Apurva, we'll leave it at that. Thanks much for joining in with these fresh and important updates coming from Delhi as far as the farmer protests are concerned. Let's move right on and take a short break at this point of time. But